Hi there, this is Robert Evans from capitalrobert.blogspot.com. Following on from some of my previous videos, I'm going to show you how to add a stat counter to your website or blog, and also show you how to register it with Google, so then Google will be able to find your website or blog and index it into their search engine. So we're going to concentrate on the blog that I've set up. This is www.beatrix-potter.blogspot.com, and what I'm going to do is add a stat counter. This is an invisible stat counter to the blog. So first of all, we'll go to stat counter. The website is www.statcounter, that's all one word, statcounter.com. I've just had to blur out all these. These are some of my websites. Just want to keep some of my websites secret. But what you do, you register first of all, and once you've opened an account, then you can add stat counters to any of your websites. So let's assume that you've opened an account. So you log in, and you need to click here, which is Add New Project. So we'll click here now. Okay, it first of all asks for the website title, so we'll put Beatrix Potter, and the website address, which is beatrix-potter.blogspot.com. As for a category, we'll select hobbies and interest. Okay, it doesn't really matter which one you select, but we'll select this one. Okay, let's just go down. Everything else you just leave. Yeah, don't click this one because it enables everybody to be able to see stats which you really want to keep secret. So we'll click next. Okay, so we've created the project. Now we just need to get the code, so we click here. It says, do you want a visible counter? We want an invisible one, so only we would know, or only I would know how many people visit the blog. So I'll click that one there, which is going to be an invisible counter. So it's not, it doesn't show everyone else how many people visit the website. So we'll go here next. But again, you can choose which one you have. You have a visible one, visible counter, homepage, or button only. But we'll just select the invisible counter. Go to the next page. On here it shows, it actually helps you with the kind of website or blog that you want to put the code on. See, it's already recognised that it's a Blogspot blogger, but you can select whatever you want. Say for instance you just have a normal website, then you would select, let me just see, I would just select default installation code myself. There's all different formats, you know. Say if you designed your website on front page, Microsoft front page, then you would select that. But because I design a lot of my websites on X-Site Pro, I usually just select here the default installation guide. But for this one, because it's a blogger, it will select blogger, and that's it. Select here. I'll click there, next, and there it is. There's your code. It instantly comes up. So what we'll do, we'll copy this code. So it's just click down on the left hand mouse button and drag all this, and then click on the right mouse button, copy. So let's go to the blog. Okay, we want to place this. It's going to be in this side here. It won't be visible. It'll only be here. And it will pick up all the statistics. So what we'll do, we'll go to up here, which is to my blog, and it's customize, and we want to add a gadget, and the gadget is HTML JavaScript, so plus there. So we don't want a title, we just want to enter the code, so we'll just click and paste the code there, and that's it. Then click save, and there it is showing this top one here, what happens is when you add a gadget, it always comes up as the top. So we'll move this down to the bottom one. Let's just drag this right down there so it's out of the way. Let's move over here. So you click save and then view blog. So to anyone looking at the blog, you will not be able to see this. Let me just scroll down, but it is at the bottom. It's actually here because I've logged into my blog. It actually shows that I can edit it, but you won't see this, but it is here in that box there. But as I said, it's not visible to anyone who views your blog. So that's it. So the stat counter is now inserted into the blog. So from now on I'll be able to see lots of different pieces of information. Let's go back to the stat counter. Let's go down here. It's just actually helping you here, showing you how to do it. Let's go back to my projects. So what it will do is list. It will list it here, and here it is here. So Beatrix Potter's there. So what you can do after every day or so, you just click on that one, and what it will do, it will show you, like today there's one. That's because I just visited the blog. It's the first visitor. But what you can do, you can look at anything from recent keyword activity. So you can actually see, if you click there, what will happen is it will list the keywords that people have typed into, say, Google or Yahoo to find your blog. Recent came from, so if they follow the link to your blog, so say your blog was say you'd done a comment on Warrior Forum and put your URL for your blog on there, you would actually see that people have clicked from the Warrior Forum to visit your blog. So these are the kind of information you can get from using this. So that's the stat counter, which is now inserted into the blog. Now finally, you can add your website or blog to Google, and you need to go to www.google.co.uk/add URL, which is one word, ADD URL. So it's google.co.uk/add URL. So here we just do that. So you need to do the full URL. So it is HTTP. This applies to every website. Sorry, it should be that one. And then it's, I'll put two there. It's two of those, and then it actually shows you here what you need to do. So you need to do HTTP and those, like here, and then you put your website address. So it's beatrix-potter.blogspot.com. Okay, this is just to register it into Google. Actually, to put this in here, which is, let's put this in so it knows that you're manually inserting your URL. Press add, and I think it's because it's timed out. Let me just do it again. Beatrix-potter.blogspot.com. Add this, add that, and there we go. And this is what you get. You get a thank you, your site URL has been successfully added to our list of URLs to crawl. So it's actually registered in Google. So that's how you do it. That's how you add a stat counter to your website or blog, and how you then register your website or blog into Google. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and watch out for more videos that I'll record in the near future. Many thanks for viewing this.